It tastes like paper.
Tastes like paper? How do you know what paper tastes like?
Like strawberry.
Hello everyone, we're back again with Amy, another segment of Amy and Kylie in the Six. Woo. What do you guys have on? Yeah, oh my, it looks like blindfolds. Hey, no peeking.
Today we're doing the mystery treat challenge. Hey Kylie, you're peeking.
It's a mystery.
We have 5 treats from 5 different countries. We're gonna try them out today.
Choose one.
Choose one.
No, oh, Amy only.
Amy's first.
Oh,
Okay, so this will be our first one. Your turn.
No peeking.
Oh! This will be our second treat. Treat number 3. Go Kylie. Treat number 4. And the last one, treat number 5.
Now?
Okay, wait, no. Okay, Amy, Kylie, you ready to see what we're gonna have first?
It's Jaffa cakes. These are from the UK. They look like just regular cookies.
It has a chocolate topping.
It's a
Everybody
family
take
pack.
one.
Oh,
Ooh.
I like them.
I thought they were gonna be crispy.
You like those Nilla wafers? Oh, they're not hard. They shape like a hint of orange.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Amy? What about you, Kylie? You like it?
I'm a
I
thumbs
like
up.
the chocolate
What do you like about it, Kylie?
part. I like the chocolate part. Numbers.
Double thumbs up. Ooh, Kylie gets double thumbs up. I only have one thumb. So.
Double thumbs up.
And the pinky.
Okay.
So that was Jaffa cakes.
Now?
Super yummy.
Okay, this was our second choice. Kylie chose the
They are Tim Tams from
Australia.
The original, the chocolate biscuits. Oh, I'm already getting a thumbs up. I didn't even try it yet. It's like a
Ooh, these are good.
thumbs up. What about you, Kylie? Super thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
Double.
What does it taste like?
Spice.
Sorry.
Tastes like chocolate and
Chocolate on chocolate?
and it's like crispy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, crispy, yeah.
I like it
These are super
because
good.
the cookie part, it like kind of crumbles and melts in your mouth. It isn't like a hard cookie, and the chocolate is really
These
good.
are super good.
Yes.
2 thumbs up for me.
2 thumbs up for me.
I have chocolate, so chocolate thumbs up for me. We'll have to get more of these.
Which one was next?
Let's find out.
Hi guys.
Okay, we're ready for our next treat. It is called Soan Papdi from India.
India.
It has almond, pistachio, and cardamom.
It's so soft. Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Wow. Breaking apart my hand. It's different. Definitely different. Initially, I didn't like it, but it kind of melts in your mouth almost. Like paper.
It tastes like paper.
Tastes like paper? How do you know what paper tastes like?
Like strawberry.
Okay.
You know what it reminds me of? Like the way it crumbles?
Yeah.
Polvoron. So if the Filipinos out there, if you know what polvoron is?
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of that.
Polvoron. The Indian polvoron. Did you like it, Amy? Got some on your lip there.
You can really like totally taste the pistachio.
Mm-hmm.
So I love it.
Nice and light. It's a nice light. Awesome.
What's next?
Let's move on.
Okay.
That's kind of like.
Okay, our next snack is red bean mochi from Japan.
Konnichiwa.
It is soft rice outside with red bean paste in the inside.
So we cut them open so that the girls can try them, so they look like that on the inside. You do a big bite, yeah. Bite it on the side so you can get some of the
Or in the
inside,
middle.
In the middle. Oh, I like this. You enjoying them? You like it or no? You know? You don't like it, you don't like it.
I don't like it.
It's
Okay.
not as sweet, definitely not as sweet as the other
But I like
three.
it. Good. You get me? No? Mm.
2 thumbs down?
Thumb down.
I
Yeah,
give it a
thumbs
thumbs
up.
up.
Alright. Well, we got
We got one more.
one more left. Do it.
So our last treat comes from Poland.
Poland.
It's a Milka bar.
Milk bar.
Yes,
Milka.
with Oreo.
Perfect. Like dessert.
Oreo.
Oreo. Love Oreo. I love it.
Oh.
For me, ooh.
One for you,
Milka.
one for Kylie, and the rest of it for me.
Hey.
Here it is. Try it out. Ooh. It's really generous with the Oreo. It's like mostly Oreo.
Yeah, with like a chocolate shell.
Ooh, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
That was awesome. Hey! Okay, girls. So which one's your favorite? Kylie, go first.
I like that one.
This one. My favorite too. What's yours, Amy?
This one and this one.
This one being the Tim Tams. It's Amy's favorite. And your favorite?
My favorite was this one. The Indian one.
That's actually my least favorite, but still good.
And my second favorite, surprisingly, I thought I wasn't gonna like it at all. The Jaffa cake.
Ah, yeah. Jaffa Cakes is medium for me. Probably after this and the Tim Tams is the mochi. Oh, sorry. Can't wait, huh? So if anybody's watching from these countries, let us know what you guys think of them. We like all of them. Some of them more than others, but they're all very good.
If you have any suggestions
On what to try, we'll definitely try to look for them or let us know how we can get them.
just comment below. And don't forget to like.
And subscribe. Alright, so you're all done, girls? Alright, so while they're eating, we're gonna wrap it up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see everybody next time. Say bye, girls.
Bye!
Bye.
Where's this from?
Yeah.